Okay, this is a ride for free. Okay? Maganda ho rito sa maraming libre. Libre ho itong bus natin. Okay? So very very lucky, no? Kasi may mga libre pa sa Pilipinas, wala tayong ganito eh. Okay? So it's a nice bus. Green bus. Yes, hydropower. Hydropower dyan. Okay, ito pa yung magiging ride natin here sa Leavenworth. Okay, let's go. Go. Okay, nag-CR lang po yung ating driver. CR break. Dito sa USA and Canada, hindi po CR ang tawag. Tawag nila is washroom. Wash, okay? Pero hindi naman talaga sila nagwawash dito, except after nilang mag-bowel movement. Hindi sila nagwa-washroom. I mean, hindi sila naghuhugas. So I wonder why they call it washroom, no? Okay? So dapat lang doon, ang tawag sa kanila ay wipe room. Wipe, W-I-P-E. Wipe kasi pinupunasan lang nila eh. No? They never wash their asses after going to the water closet. They just wipe it. So let's name it wipe room. Okay? Okay. Ayan na. General public ko. Dart. Yan na ba? Okay. Ito libre lang to. Tingin mo, yun, general public yun. Let's go. And now, ito na po yung Leavenworth. This is somewhere in the United States of America. Yes. And ito pa yung hotel ho natin. Okay. This is our hotel. Para ho tayo na sa Holland. You know what Holland is? Holland is a country somewhere in Europe. Okay, parang ganyan o yan. May mga kabayo, no? Papasok po tayo sa kanilang office. Let's go. Let's check. Okay. So that's it. Herrlich willkommen. It means welcome to what? I don't know what is Herrlich. Okay, let's get in. Let's get inside po. So there's juice, there's chocolate. Okay. So parang marami yung makakain dito. Siguro libre ho lahat to. Yes. This could be free. Wow. Ang ganda naman dito. Para ka talaga nasa parang sa Germany. Ha?
Kape tayo?
Yeah, libre ba yan? Ang ganda naman pati na receptionist dito. Mukhang foreigner. Okay, we have lots of snacks here. Kuha ka hot chocolate? Yeah.
Can we buy hot chocolate? It's free. Okay.
It's free?
It is free.
Wow. Ayan, wonderful. Huh? You get free hot chocolate? Wow. So nice naman here. Free ang chocolate, free ang juice. Free ang, what's this? Tea. Okay. Oh, may pool sila? Wow, they have a nice pool here, huh? Okay, it's locked. You need what do you call it? It's a key. The key here. Okay, lagyan mo na lab. Ito. Butayra. Wow naman, nice pool, that it must be heated. Okay? Very nice. Okay, welcome to Leavenworth. Nandito tayo ngayon. It's 1 in the afternoon. And ito po yung ating wife and daughter. Naghahanap po, no? Meron silang alam na kainan dito. At malayo-layo na po yung nalalakad natin, ha. Buti nila malamig. Okay, kahit titirik ng araw po rito sa Leavenworth ay malamig. Okay, napapalibot ito halos ng bundok. No? Kita nyo, no? All sides, no? are made of mountains. Yes, mountains. You know what mountains ba? Mountains, those are composed of rocks, trees, soils, no? That is, that's nagsama-sama, okay? To form a tall, huge piles, no? Of rocks and sands and soils, and they form, no? That's what we call mountain. Okay? Oh, ganda. May golf course, oh. Pucha, oh. Ang galing. Maganda pala rin sa Leavenworth. Bakit? Eh, parang walang tao. Life is very, very slow. Wala nagmamadali. Parang lahat to nagsisiesta lang. Kasi anong oras na ngayon? Alauna, walang tao, no? So mga tulog yan, I guess. No? Tulog. Sleeping. So what is siesta nga ba? Siesta, that's a word for nap or short sleep and rest, especially in the afternoon. Yeah. So mostly mga Pilipino naman na yung siesta sa Spanish, eh. Okay, dito sa Europe parang ganun din. Alauna, wala naglalakad, oh. Grabe rito. Maganda rito, parang sa Europe. Yes. So, ang design ng mga kanilang mga bahay, okay, mga restaurant, pati yung mga bulaklak, sa mga nakasabit-sabit sa tabi-tabi. Just like Europe. Okay? Let's check kung nakita na itong ating wife and daughter. Ano ito nakita nila? What's that? Book sale naman to, hindi naman to pagkain. Okay? I don't like books. I hate books because books consumes my time. Yeah. I like going around na lang instead of reading books. Okay, that's it. Stop. Stop here on red. Okay, so ito yung para kanilang gimikan. Mukhang nandito yung mga tao, but still very few visitors here. Okay, finally, marami siguro makakainan dito. Okay, I'll try the German Frankfurters. Yes, German sausages. Because I like sausages made from Germany. Yeah, they're good quality, eh. Okay? Okay, later I'll show you the order natin sa restaurant. Tingnan mo natin ito, ang ganda ng kit, oh. Wow, kit naman dito. Okay. Gas house. Wow, gas house, parang ano yun, ah. Gas chamber. Oh, ang ganda ng structure dito. Yeah, exactly, it looks like a, from Europe. Yeah. European designs, European. Ang ganda naman dito. Yan ang maganda. Okay, I hope later makababa tayo ron, no? Sa water na yan. Yeah, so merong bike dyan, merong path lane, path walk, no? May sausage. Sarap. Okay, now this Hotel Leavenworth. There's a gallery, there's a yodeling downstairs. Oh, that's good, oh. Tila, oh. Ham? Sa baba may restaurant, no? Dito may restaurant sa baba. Dito, yodelin. Bea? Maganda, oh. May nice restaurant sa baba. Sa baba. Meron nice restaurant. Tingnan natin ito. A little adventurous type. Okay, check.